everyone, welcome to our channel. It's very happy to see you again right here. Okay, I'm Caitlin from Shumatt, China. We specialized in the common rail inject, and today I want to show you some of our product. You can look at it here. This is our control valve, yes. And for this one, this is a product I'd like to show you today. And please, if you are interested, please follow me. Let's check the details first, okay? First, we will check the packaging details. We package with the VCI anti-rust bags. Yes, for this kind of bags, it's the environmental friendly. Yep. Okay, on this part, this is a label on our packaging bags. The first one is the Shumatt, our Shumatt logos. If you want to design print with your own logos, yes, you can contact us. Because with Shumatt, we can supply you this kind of customized services. Like we can have you to print your logo, design the label, and the packaging bags. Yes, if you have this kind of demands, remember to contact us. Okay, on this line is the product model numbers, the F00VC01345, and product name is the common rail valve. And on this line is the application injector numbers, 0445110251. And on this part is our QR code. You can use your phone to scan the QR code. Okay, also there has other informations on the label. Then I will go to our product to see the inside part. Okay. This is the inside, and also we package with the plastic bottles. The plastic bottles can be during the transportations. Maybe it can be better prevent some hurt from prevent our product from some hurt. Yes, it's very safe. Okay, you can open it in this way. Yep, you can see the inside. Inside we package with the oil paper. The oil paper. Wow, that's our product. As you can see, we seal in the whole side of the valve assembly, right? We also seal in the separate parts. The separate part is like the valve cap. This is our valve cap. The valve cap also with the coating and with the curved letters, right? And this is a valve rod. The valve rod, actually, we have the different size, we have different lengths. Yes, if you have the demands, like if you want the other size and the other lengths, you can contact us. Yes, we satisfy your demands, like the customized services. Okay, each items before we receive it, we will test it many times. So for our product, we really have the good quality. That's why we have the confidence to see that we have the 6 months warranties. Yes, don't worry about our qualities. Okay, that's all about our product details. Yes, as you can see, we have many kinds of product models, right? If you are not familiar with the product model, you can send us. We can help you to check it. Also, you can download the app. For our product, here we have a good news to tell you about our warranties. We have the 6 months warranties during this time. If you are not satisfied with the qualities, you can contact us. We can exchange the product for you. And here, Caitlin have 3 tips for you. And the first tips, if you want to clean the spare parts and the injectors, you'd better use oil to clean it. The second tip is if you want to install the control valve, you'd better to make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly after the assembly inject bodies. Yep. The third tips is if you should to make sure the valve cap in the right positions. Okay, that's all about the tips sharing. Actually, each week I have the different videos and on the Facebook and the YouTube account. If you like my videos, if you like our product, remember to follow us at our channel and feel free to contact us. Okay, actually, except that we also supply the injector, the nozzle, repair kit, the pumps, parts for the pumps, including the control valve we are showing today. Yes, any items if you are interested, remember to follow at our channel and feel free to contact us. Okay, So much for today's product introduction. Thank you for your watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you next time.